Is that 5? That's 5.
That's 5. No.
That's 5. Oh, okay.
Don't change it. 5.
Next is 6.
That's 2. Is. That's 1 and 6. Tears it up.
Good job, guys. Way to go. All right, up to fettuccine.
Wait, it's on 6. You can.
That's fine. All right,
I'm
now.
gonna shred so much that it just.
And hey, now we can go right in the pot.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
They can get there. You're doing fine. That's a good job, big guy. All right, yeah, let's go. Just you can go throw that right in the boiling water there.
Can I just drop
Yeah,
it?
drop it in. Yeah,
Cannonball!
that's right. Yep, Marshall, make sure you don't drop any on the floor there. Man, I just about did. Oh, be careful. All right, just be careful, Marsh.
I'll pick it all up.
Whoop, look out.
Well, you can do that one. I'll do this. These